Previously on Kimba TV. You know what I'm saying? We've had this for a minute, ladies and gentlemen. When does sweat Mary Poppins? Okay. It's beginning. Oh, let's get nasty. Oh, toilet paper time. That's the 4-hour or the 1-hour bull div that we want. So if this is gonna bounce, then that might be the, this might be tonight. Karen says, who in a long? I'm in a long already. I don't know if you saw, but I'm in a long already. Let me move everything over because I gotta get ready for my flight, and I want to get everything set up before I have to dip. All right, I'm trying to stream from multiple places, so bear with me here. There you go. Everybody good? Quant, are you still in your short as well? No, I showed everything. Yeah, I closed my short is fully closed. Yes, I have a little bit of a long on MEXC. I have a even smaller long on Kraken, and that's it. And as you can probably see from what I'm looking at and what I'm showing right now, I only got a tiny bit filled. I'll show it in a little bit, but I only have a little bit of time left with you guys. I need to get the stream up and running on my laptop. And if you're not in a long yet, if you're not sure about taking a long, I wouldn't worry about it. I think you got all the time in the world. Sounds good? I think the best time to get into something would be maybe 2 hours before market close, making sure that you get above Gex flip. You guys already know what it is. So as usual, if you're getting into something right now before Friday market close, you are front running S&P. As long as you know that, do your thing. Everybody good? What about SPX options? These are your gammas for SPX. There you go. It's almost like I'm front running a bounce from the 41 hundo. What's going on, Sammy? Shiro, how are you doing is the question. I am doing fantastic. As you guys know, I'm going to be flying back to San Fran, and then I get to go to Hawaii. So I'm extremely excited. It's Friday, so I'm extremely tired. I have a couple of work calls. I have work calls coming up. You guys know that, right? My weekly Friday recap work calls. So, Karapao, hey, Kimba, what do you think the chances of poking 25? Pretty good, I think. If it's not going to reverse, well, so this is what I would say. I'm a big level-to-level guy. We're smack dab in the middle of two POCs. It's either going to come back and get rejected before coming back down here, or we're going to go straight here and then bounce. I'm level to level, so it's either here or here. That's it. And then if we get above here, that's even better. So conceptually, nothing's really changed, brother. But yeah, I mean, if you remember, this is why it's so important to always rewind and rewatch. All right, because we already talked about this many days ago, including here and including when this was happening. So we already know what we're doing today because we talked about it here and we talked about it here and here. All right, so how I would do it, what my stop loss, all of that we talked about 3 weeks ago when we talked about head and shoulders. So the plan for today, you could actually watch a YouTube video from about 2 weeks ago and you would know exactly what my plan is. So, but yeah, I mean, there's a very good chance that this could nuke right down to the next POC, which is at 24.8-ish. Yeah, so you got to keep if you're going to try to long, you need to understand that you're front running S&P. You're going to be front running weekend movement. All the risks involved in it, you got to be willing to be okay with. Oh, snap diddly. Oh, snap diddly. How we doing? My thing. Everybody good? Should we let us up? That's a bummer losing that 4-hour bull div. All right, we good? All right, 28 minutes. Let's let us up. Everybody ready? Everybody knows the plan? I mean, it's level to level, so I think it's pretty. 14 minutes until market close, y'all. Who getting nasty up in this bitch? Shout outs to all the nastiers. Y'all ready to go to Hawaii? Y'all ready to go to Hawaii? How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Who the fuck is juicing? Everybody know the plan? Oh my God, we got a goddamn Jamba Juice franchise going on. So much juice. Ah! I'm barely paying attention to this shit. It's working. It's magic. Let's get nasty. Everybody good? This S&P confluence? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We talked about it. Look at that clean ass bounce off 4100, y'all. Right? God damn. See, this is why you gotta rewind. Hopefully everyone rewinded and got caught up on the plan. We good? It's just too much juice, baby. Hey, you gotta give it up for S&P confluence, baby. You gotta give it up for S&P confluence. You guys ready to get nasty? You guys saw how much I realized on the other trade, 80K? I'm up like 100K on Kraken right now on this long. Wow, the last 3-4 days have been just crazy juice. Yeah, I mean, we all good? Give it up for Kimba Box. We'll see how it works out. Look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour actually held. Look at that. Ah. Remember when I was hella bummed out about the 4-hour not holding? It held, y'all. Bada bingus, bada boongus. So now you guys need to figure out if you need to maximize your profits and put your stop loss starting behind 38205. If you want to hold on to a Gucci ass, right? So you're anticipating this, you're anticipating this, and you're anticipating this. Which one? What's your bet? Or, there you go. You got 4 options. 5. So I'll keep the drawing here. Let's get nasty, y'all. Let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Who getting nasty? Woo-wee! Everybody good? Come on. Come on. Go fuck yourself. We Gucci Magucci, everybody. We Gucci Magucci, everybody. Yes. How we all doing? I know everybody. I know everybody in Kimba Gang is getting nasty, right? Yes, you are. Have I thought about TP? Man, so I have about a 253, 257 Bitcoin position on Kraken. Let's just call it 250. Can you imagine if I just rode it all the way to like 32 again? I don't know. I'm going to just take it level by level. I guess here first, right? 27.7 is my first level. 27.7. But, you know, we've talked about this for quite some time, right? We talked about the sweep. We talked about Kimba Box here. You know, we talked about this like it was about 3 weeks ago, but we talked about, you know, would I do a Kimba Box? Would I not? And Head and Shoulders. And so the first level for me is 27.7. It's got to get above 27.7. It just level to level. So it's, you know, it's here or here. So once we get here, you know, I might short from there. I don't know. I got to get an edge. What color will be your next Bugatti? I don't know, man. That's an interesting question. I'll probably let baby girl choose it, considering I chose the last two. So what I think is going to be happening is I'm gonna just go classic Sato style and just show the exchange. So something like, it's gonna look something like this, I think. It'll look like that. So it'll be a copy trader's wet dream, all right? But like 80% of the time, I'm in Hawaii. I'm gonna be scuba diving. I'm gonna be eating. I'm gonna be going to a waterfall. I'm gonna be fucking, you know the drill. Are we going to hear the papink? I don't know because I'm gonna be doing it from my Mac, and I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have like technical difficulties, so you'll have to bear with me. Maybe IRL stream, I would do it, but baby girl, one, doesn't really know that I like stream like this, and two, she might be freaked out. She thinks that's like 6 of my Xbox buddies. So if she was like, oh shit, hundreds of people are gonna see this, she might not be down. Let's all go together to the balcony. Anybody, so you guys know what the deal is, right? It's level to level. I don't know if you guys want to copy the POCs last minute, okay? But it's level to level. So if it can't stay above 26.5, then I'm gonna try to be longing 24.8 next. 27.7 is a really interesting level. That could be a potential short. That should definitely be some TPs. All right. Now, if it breaks through 27.7, that's awesome. But I'm definitely going to be watching 27.7 for some TPing and a possible head short. I'm sure that it's going to do some sort of like golden pocket retrace. Okay, so that's another thing that you have to maybe kind of prep and think about. Alrighty, but definitely 27.7, I'm going to be looking at for a TP, possible short. Okay, and then I mean, if we make a lower low, we're going down here. That's not. You're not going to sweep a sweep. Okay, this ain't Mary Poppins. So if this is not going to hold, on some worst case scenario shit, maybe it's going to do some diamond. I don't know, but then it's here. Yeah. So I would probably be looking at thangity thang, okay? 27.7. It needs to stay above 26.5, 26.480. I mean, look at the pixel fucking that it's doing. So I would assume it's going to do this. Interesting. All right. So if you stay above 26.5, then 27.7 is probably good to go. If you lose 26.5, then or you make a lower low, I mean it's going to 25. 4-hour bull div still held, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I like? I like the bull divs going into bear div invalidation. So, seeing this time and time again. Now there's another bull div. Now there's another bull div approaching another bear div. We shall see. Pretty cool stuff. Let's not get overly excited on the long. You know what I mean? It is the weekend, so how many times have we seen us get into a good position Friday night and then it comes right back and tries to stop us out or scare us? So it'd be smooth. It'd be great if we could just go to 27.7. Don't do any sort of bullshit like 7A6 pullback, right? But if there's any sort of pullback, a 3A2 would be nice, right? But if we could just go to 27.7, just rock it right on over there, that'd be the easiest thing. So pretty cool stuff. Divs, sweeps, how to get in after a sweep happens. You know what I mean? Identifying levels, POCs. Pretty cool stuff this week. So all right. Let us up, and then I gotta head the fuck out of here. How many of you guys are gonna tune in if I have a little weekend stream? And I might not be as talkative as every other stream, but it'll be Sato style. You guys will see, you know, the MEXC mostly. 80-90% of my time in Hawaii is already like booked. Golf, scuba, and massages, so. Don't forget about confirmations of a sweep on the bigger time frame as well. All right, so whether you're trying to short or long, I think you're gonna have multiple opportunities if you're patient enough and if you have enough edge. Even if you're wrong, I think you're gonna just get stopped out at break even. So, Pinho, are you long or short? I am long, Pinho. All right. I don't know how long you know, but this has been something that we have been talking about for quite some time. Go fuck yourself. All right. I'm a big believer in 4-hour divergences, and we just got one. All right. And it's level to level. So as long as this holds, then this is in play. You lose this, this is in play. I would just keep it that simple. And just do your best. It's the weekend, so no reason to go too degen, alrighty? So if there's a bear div there, you might see me take a short. Even if we're wrong, I think it would, you know, do something like this. If it's a sweep, then it might come back to like golden pocket. No, you already went to DJ. Well, have fun, brother. I mean, just be safe, all right? But nothing wrong with having a little fun over the weekend either. You know what I mean? Market makers, I'm getting out of here. All right, let me load up the chat. Here we go. Hey, what a week it was. CPI, PPI, crazy. I'm gonna be in Hawaii Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll be back to normal streaming on Thursday from San Francisco. But I'm going to try to stream from Hawaii. All right, ladies and gentlemen, volatility incoming. It's not how you start, but it's how you finish. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow because I'm going to try to start the stream when I get to Hawaii. So... all right, but I won't be as talkative. It'll be like a Sato stream, all right? Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe. And as Sato would say...
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Become is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.